Good afternoon from Grand Family Farm. Right here watering the pigs. Of course, they've made a mess out of this water dish here because they're hot. Maybe they put a swimming pool in here. But I don't have much room in this little pen. Still building it. So, here Penelope loves water. I'm going to cool her down. The other pigs want some. Well, maybe not so much. Yeah, a little cooler. I hail your face. Oh yeah, feels good. And they like that water on them when it's hot out here. Here, Penelope, you want some more? Yeah, she loves it. Get the ground nice and wet to wall her around on it. Keep them cool. It's like a daily thing you got to do out here. Yeah. Yeah, she loves it more than the other pigs. That little pig. Oh, there you go. Oh, that felt good, huh? Alright, I'll have to clean out this water dish. Again. Well, here in the chicken pen, I see one is inside the barn. Not sure how that got in there. Yep, definitely on the wrong side. Get back in there. Well, that's pretty hot out here. Yeah, they need some more water. They got a big water dish to play in, but these ducks just really go through the water and make a mess out of that. The hanging water. So I gotta clean it out again. Here we go again, spraying go aheads. This is the third round. And they keep coming out because of so many seeds buried from the years past. Just can't stand these things because if you don't take care of them, they get in your tires, they get in the dog's feet, they attract in the house. Anyway, these seeds go everywhere and they plant new plants. So that one should be sprayed good enough. Let's hope. I just sprayed not too long ago in the same area. Some go aheads. Most of them are gone. But that one came back, or well, it's probably other seeds that were buried next to it. Anyway, I'm gonna hit the garden out there where there's no plants. We already took over the cornfield, unfortunately. So much work, and it is very hot today. Well, here I am watering the dirt. There's actually two reasons why the sprinkler's going right now. One is to soften up the soil so I can actually level it out. I gotta dig a little more to get it leveled. And the other thing is because these walnut trees haven't had water for some time. So I'm gonna go ahead and water this down, get it nice and wet. And then when it dries out, I'm gonna scrape this a little bit more, level it out. And also got to put a little dirt there on my lane there in that corner before I put gravel on top of it. So that's what we're doing here. It's still a hot one today. I go checking on those pigs, make sure they're cool. Yep, just laying around in the shade. That's what they do best. They lay around in the shade. Oh, they think I got food. Uh-oh. Penelope's always hungry. She likes watermelon. I should go get her some. Alright, Penelope. Look what I got. Come here. Watermelon?
Oh, come here. She took it out of my hand. It's on the fence.
There you go.
I'm afraid of getting in my fingers. Some sharp teeth.
Watermelon.
I'm just going to throw it in there now. Sure.
The girls like their petting every night. Nope. Yeah. Yeah, the black ones you can pet. The grayer ones don't like people. Yeah, the Rhode Islanders are scared still. Anyway, chores are done for tonight. Chickens and the pigs been fed. Chickens got their scratch treat and some pettings. All right, ladies, it's time to lay some eggs. All right, that's it for today for Grand Family Farm. Thanks for watching. Have a great evening.